This video will familiarize you with creating a parenting plan because all of the interviews and dialogues in the Creative Divorce Documents library follow the same general protocol. Specific references in this video will address the unique aspects of the parenting plan template. Scanning the parenting plan library, the common areas concerning the drafting of a comprehensive parenting plan become evident. We will focus on decision-making, the general parenting time schedule, the single-day holidays, such as the 4th of July, the allocation of long school breaks, such as Thanksgiving and Christmas, and the summer school break. We will defer other issues, such as child expenses, dependency exemptions, extracurricular activities, and the like, to the next video. Decision-making first addresses who or how child-caring decisions will be made, by father, mother, or jointly. Grids allow you to select who or how major decisions are to be determined. Simply select who is to make the decision concerning a topic of child care. If you select both parents, the parenting plan will designate that the decision is to be made jointly. Using the pre-populated list for Jack and I'm a Romantic, a preview of that portion of the parenting plan shows how those selections are referenced in the final document. You can avoid that long list of decision-making by selecting Joint in the initial multiple-choice question in the dialogue. That causes a simple and straightforward statement to be inserted in the final plan that all decisions will be jointly made. Selecting Parenting Time General opens a dialog that allows you to choose between the two most popular parenting time schedules, alternating weeks and the ubiquitous 5-2-2-5 plan, sometimes referred to as the 3-2-2-3 plan, or you may customize a plan based upon the needs of the parents and the children. Selecting the weekly plan allows you to choose the beginning day and time for weekly exchanges. A review of the document shows just how unencumbered such a plan is. Returning to the interview dialogue, selection of the 5-2-2-5 plan assumes that one parent will have Mondays and Tuesdays and the other parent Wednesdays and Thursdays, with the weekends to be alternated. You select which parent has which days and how Monday holidays are to be shared, if at all. The final statement is a bit more involved than in the weekly exchange, but again, it's fairly straightforward. In any event, you can select to draft your own plan to fit the romantic family. It will be inserted into the final document. Often, it's more efficient to type placeholder in the dialogue answer box to allow for a more detailed plan. That can then be edited in the final Word document. See how that looks in a review of the plan. A word of caution. Editing in the final Word document does not save the answers in the Creative Divorce Documents answer file. So if the description of the customized plan is short, keep the description in the dialog box or copy the final Word edit back into the dialog answer box to save it. In developing the parent plan, throughout the interview process, a variety of dialogues or other options will open, so provision can be made for such things as dinner visits, extra overnights, and the like. They are straightforward choices and will not be discussed here. Like decision-making, a grid for the allocation of single-day holidays is offered. Unlike decision-making, you should not award the same holiday in any single year to both parents. You can select as many days as you wish and need not select all holidays. There is even an option to select none. The final document fleshes out the simplified selection process into a recognized and enforceable provision within the plan. Long school breaks generally fall into two categories: a 3-break and a 4-break system. Creative Divorce Documents, regardless of how the break is classified, uses Thanksgiving as the baseline from which to alternate or assign the other breaks. In a 3-break system, whoever has Thanksgiving will have the second half of the Christmas break, and the other parent will have the first part of the Christmas break together with spring break. That plan alternates on a year-to-year basis. In a 4-break system, whoever has Thanksgiving will have the second half of Christmas in spring break, and the other parent will have fall break in the first half of Christmas. That plan also alternates on a year-by-year basis. The summer break is a bit more problematic. A long number of options are offered in the dialogue. It is worth it to review the dialogue options in full before making a selection. Options include no change in the parenting plan during the summer, a flip of the parenting plan, designation of the first and second half, alternating by blocks of time, and awarding, quote, the non-custodial parent a given number of weeks during the summer. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered a lot. Be sure to view the next video regarding the other essentials in the parenting plan.